All right, today I'm going to be showing you how to do presentations just like you have in PowerPoint, doing using Canva, business presentations, investment presentations, and all that. So I'll just show you how the template works as usual. You see the templates and you can go edit it yourself and see how it will, but I just want to show you that this is possible. All right, so let's just pick any good template. All right, so let me just go down. Always see a lot of templates to spark your creativity. All right, so you're showing now storyboard. You can use this for your presentations, to teach, for your lecture slides, for your project defense and your thesis defense and all that, for your pitch deck. All right, okay, I just talked about pitch deck, so there's one for pitch deck. Let me just click on it and open it. And also in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to use Canva for that's presentation. What is that other one? For infographics. Infographics, where you can use infographics, simple ways to communicate complex stuff in a graphic way. All right, so while I'm waiting for the presentation to load, there's infographics to load. So these are infographics, so they're different templates. When you see them, you even exactly know what they are. These are really cool. You work for NGOs, you work with statistics and all that, or you want to communicate an idea in a campaign, an awareness campaign. 5 ways to remain clean always, 3 things never to do before you leave the house, 5 ways to remain safe on the road. Just nice things. Social media precaution, how to, let's just pick 1 or 2 of them. And you see infographics. These are really things you can do for yourself to communicate better, and you can do for organizations and command good value and charge good money. I know people that make a lot of money from this, but let me even not stop there. Let me add one more to spice it up for you. We're doing what we're doing here. We're doing presentation. We're doing what's this other one? Infographics, and there's one I want to add. Can I remember that one right now? Maybe not now. Okay, or maybe it doesn't matter. Oh yeah, that one is a resume. Fantastic. Simple resumes that you can create for yourself and for, wow, this is a beautiful simple resumes, 1 pages, 2 pages, 3 pages that you can design for yourself and for others and make good money and make good impression as well. All right, for school, internship, students and all that, you can create things like this. All right, let me just pick one and use it as a template. All right, so we have a presentation. So these are pitch, I'm using it as a pitch deck. So it's just giving us one, so you can edit whatever you need to edit from inside here. Write your company. It's giving you direction. On my own, I may not come up with things like this. This looks like on. If I were a presenter, I don't even need to change it. This looks like click next. All right, I can just change it to my definition. Let me say solutions to global sadness. All right, I'm just playing. I can just play around. Let me say happiness INC. Let me just make it look pro 2020. Happiness Inc. 2020. I'm just showing you where you can play around it. So remember, a good presentation doesn't mean you need to have all the slides. Just as much as possible, communicate 1 idea per slide. Simple, and keep people engaged. Now I've done my first slide. I can go to the next one. Just add page. I click add page. It's blank for me. I can go in here and go here. Look at different templates to guide me. I can just pick the next one. Boom. Problem. Easy. I'm not doing much, but it's captivating. There's a graphic. There's fonting. Few words to cue the attention of the people. So I can list 3 problems. So I can just change it like problem. I can just like why are people sad? Number 2, what are people sad about? Number 3, where are people sad? I can even make 4, like when people get sad. of course, I'm just using this to show you. Simple, but it will keep the listeners engaged throughout, because there's graphic few fonts. You can add your own picture, of course. It mustn't be this. All right, I'm done with this. I go to my next page. I can go boom. Problem 1, why are people sad? I can add like people are sad because problem 2, problem 3. I'm done with that. I go to my next slide. I bring in this, what are we selling? Happiness therapy. You can play around. I may not want this, maybe I want this instead. Direct competitors, whatever suits what I'm doing. Maybe statistics of where people are sad, Asia, America, Africa, blah blah blah. I get that. Different things. Approach how we plan to make people less sad, give them food, blah 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 blah. You see, now that you're happy, what do? I'm just showing you this as an example. There are other templates here that you can use for so many things. Other templates, look at fantastic templates that you can use, and many times they make life easy for you, because these are things I may not think on my own, but boom, they're helping me do the thinking, and I'm just flowing. All right, see, look at this. Just look at this. Looks like a website. I'm working like a menu, right? All right, so maybe I don't want this. I'll put this in my next slide. Hit it. Just replace. Yeah. So look at this. I've not drawn anything, but I can do a whole lot with what is going on here. All right. When you're done, you can just go to your saving. You can present and record. You can also look at Microsoft PowerPoint here. You can save it as a PowerPoint into opening your Microsoft PowerPoint. How beautiful is that? How beautiful is that? So you can also download and as a PDF, see, PNG, PDF, whatever, MP for that, like a video, and click download. So several options for you to download. So go there, click on present. You can present directly. You can also save as Microsoft PowerPoint and even edit in PowerPoint. So explore these slides, explore all of them. Wonderful, wonderful, amazing templates you can use. All right, I'm just showing you a lot more different ones you can explore. You see my left over here? You can explore all these. All right, then let's go quickly to resume. Remember, we got it by clicking on resume. Okay, it's simple. Picture, if you need to put a picture. If you don't need to put a picture, just put your name, school teacher, your contact details, your core competencies. It's just a one page that summarizes everything you do. All right, if you need more, you can add another page. If you need to write more, and you can maybe bring in text. If you need to write more, click on it. You see your text, you can always position to wherever you want to position, but make it really nice. All right, there are a lot of other templates here that you can explore. All right, see, I know a lot of people that make money doing this for people. All right, writing beautiful CVs like this. They look like, whoa, is that a CV? It looks like a magazine. All right, so you can exploit. Whenever you're done, you just go to your download. You can save it as a PDF if you want to print it. You can save it as a PNG if you want to save it as a picture, and always work with it. I just needed to show you that before I end this series. All right, see, all kinds of CVs. If you don't need your picture to be there, of course you can delete it and remove what is there and just leave your name and align every other thing. Then of course this presentation. Then we have infographics. Infographics, fantastic. Look at it. I'll show you. You can do a lot of information with this. All right, look at it. This is a social media one. Must have social media for small businesses. So pictures, text, pictures, text. Look at all these ones. How to write an effective copy. All right, so just simple ways to communicate with graphics. So normally this would have been a long read, but with all these it's easy. A lot of people use it to communicate health tips, safety tips, life cycle of a butterfly, like what we're seeing here. Just easy peasy. You can edit it, you can get in pictures, you can follow the theme, the theme and all that. So many things. Let me just bring more for you. Yeah, some of them are chronological, like timelines and all that you can use. Exam preparation timeline, you see, start of the term, weekend before exam, day before exam. Just this is amazing. There's a lot you can do. You can do this for charity, what you're trying to raise, where you have raised, and when they come for your event, this can be used as bookmarks, this can be printed as flyers, this can be printed as cards, just a lot of things you can use, So explore infographics, and you can use them for institutional prayer points in churches, in mosques and all that, agendas in conferences and all that, take home points in events and trainings and lessons, you can just exploit for so many things. All right, so explore them. So these infographics, these presentations using Canva. You can make a lot of money doing this for people. I tell you, these resumes, CVs for students.